Cancer Treatment Centers of America in Tulsa recently received an accreditation designation by the National Accreditation Program for Breast Centers from the American College of Surgeons.
This accreditation demonstrates that we not only offer compassionate care and innovative treatments, but also reassures our patients that our medical staff is held to high standards of quality. Receiving care at an accredited NAPBC breast center ensures that patients have access to a multidisciplinary team approach, clinical trials, and innovative treatments, and high-quality breast care.
The hospital offers leading-edge therapies, including surgery, radiation, and innovative reconstruction options, as well as supportive services that can help patients alleviate pain, stress, and possible side effects of treatment. To discuss treatment options available at the Tulsa Hospital, call 888-920-7012 or visit cancercenter.com. Cancer Treatment Centers of America, care that never quits.